This is Asus Tough gaming laptop. This laptop has come to me for repair. We connect DC power supply. See the issue. When we on the laptop with the help of keyboard, it's powered on. It's on and off. When we return power on keyboard with the help of keyboard, it's once on and off. It's not continue on. Need to check what is the issue inside the motherboard. Maybe this is a secondary shorting in motherboard, secondary section shorting in motherboard. We have to open the board. Let's open the board. This gaming board is already trying to repair someone. See, 3 volt 5 volt IC is burned and trying to repair someone and unable to repair this board. See, this is a 3 volt 5 volt IC and burn and trying to repair. There is track damage also, and after that this laptop is coming to repair. We replace this IC and let's work and repair this laptop. We are changing this IC and as well as this all 4 MOSFETs, 3 volt 5 volt 4 MOSFETs. Need to replace all 4 MOSFETs and IC and check what happened. After all parts replacing, we assemble the board in cabinet. Let's repair. Let's try to on. We on this board. Board is now on and off for the RTC segment. First time on and off. This board is on now and taken an amp. Continue on. RGB light also is there. Yes, Asus is coming there, and this case study of gaming laptop Asus is now complete. Rejected from other as well as service center. Thank you.